Hello everyone, in this video we are given this nice exponential equation and we are to find the value of x. Before we start, let's pay attention to this one. There's a condition to the problem. X is a real number. So let's get started. 16 is the same as 4 to the power 2, then all to the power x plus 20 is also the same as 4 times 5, then all to the power x, and this is equal to 25 is the same as 5 squared, then all to the power x. And we will apply a property that a to the power m all to the power n is the same as a to the power n all to the power m. This is very important. So from here we can write it as 4 to the power x all to the power 2 plus, now from here this is also the same as 4 to the power x times 5 to the power x, and this is equal to 5 to the power x all to the power 2. Now let's go ahead and then divide through by this term over here. So from here we're going to have 4 to the power x all to the power 2. Then this side, 4 to the power x all to the power 2 is the same as 4 to the power x times 4 to the power x. Then from here, we will have 4 to the power x all to the power 2. Now let's go ahead and then simplify this. Straight away, we see that this and this will go, so we are left with 1 plus this one and this will also go. We are left with 5 to the power x divided by 4 to the power x, which could also be written as 5 divided by 4 all to the power x, and this is equal to, this is also the same as 5 divided by 4 all to the power x, then all to the power 2. Then from here we're gonna let y equal to 5 divided by 4 all to the power x. So the equation now becomes 1 plus y is equal to y squared. Let's equate everything to 0. So you have y squared minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If we compare this one to this, we see that a is equal to 1, b is equal to -1, and then c is equal to -1 as well. So let's go ahead and then use the quadratic formula, which is y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. So we're going to have y is equal to -1 plus or minus square root of -1 squared minus 4 times 1 times -1, all divided by 2 times 1. So if we simplify this, we're going to have y is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of this whole thing will give us 5, then divided by 2. So we see that from this equation over here, 5 divided by 4 all to the power x is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2, or 5 divided by 4 all to the power x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now let's pay attention to this first equation here. Remember, initially it was stated in the question that x is a real number, so we don't need to solve the complex solution to the problem. From here we see that negative square root of 5 will make the whole of this one negative, and on the right this is positive. So meaning if you solve for this equation, you're going to be getting complex solution of which we are not interested. So we are not going to consider this equation at all. Now let's focus on this second equation. From here, let's introduce natural log on each side of the equation so that we get ln of 5 divided by 4 all to the power x is equal to ln of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Great. Now, as always, the power now becomes the leading number. So we're going to have x ln of 5 divided by 4 is equal to ln of what is here. We are looking for x, so let's divide through by this whole thing. And straight away, this and this one will go. Now we are left with x is equal to 5 over 4. And this is our final answer. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, like the video, comment and share. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day and see you again on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.